Welcome to the very first episode of Big Block Nation. And today, we're going to feature our own company truck, my 78 Jimmy that I built to represent our company. Now, there's already a full feature on our other channel, ATP Customs Ltd, if you want to know every little detail about this thing. But we're talking about Big Block Nation here. That is what got it started. This truck right here. This one represents Big Block Nation all the way. So we have a 78 Jimmy. It's got 3/4 ton diffs with posi. We have 40-inch Swamper IROCs on 20-inch fuel assault wheels with Oracle wheel lights. It's all BDS soft ride suspension. The paint is from a 2019 F450. It's metallic black. Now we'll get to that in a second and do a quick rundown. We have 4 Clarion 12-inch marine audio subs in the back. It has lots of speakers that light up. And we have a nitrous tank in the console. All right, let's get under the hood. This is a 454 bored out to 461. It's got a mild comp cam, roller rockers, Patriot headers, lots of chrome bolt-on stuff, and a nitrous express kit that's adjustable from 50 to 300 horse with an Edelbrock 750. Oh yes, and of course a Spectre intake. And I'm just going to turn the key off so I don't have to listen to the infamous fan that never turns off. Why are we starting with this one? Well, because this is my favorite one. Now, I built this Jimmy a few years ago. It's my golf cart. I use it for golfing. I drive it only in summers. And we have a ridiculously cold week coming up, minus 28. And no, my Jimmy doesn't sit outside at minus 28. Not a chance. So this thing used to be on propane, and I swapped it over to gas, did all new fuel tanks and everything, but the propane made it have a very noisy valve train. And it makes me crazy. I can't stand the sound of the valves. And the motor's just not up to par for me. I want more. So I have a great big cam. I have a Pete Jackson gear drive, the noisy one, the one nobody likes. I think we should try it out. But I don't have the money for the rest of it yet. I have to do a different stall converter for the cam. It's got to be a 3500 stall. I want to do different exhaust. I can't stand the Flowmaster Super 40's, I think they are on this thing. I hate them. They drive me crazy. So between the exhaust and the noisy valves, I have to pull the motor out of this thing. And that's the plan in 2022. We are going to yank this motor out. It is getting another comp cam. It's got a 575 lift, but it's a very good nitrous cam. It's really obnoxious. And it should push me to around the 500 horse mark just on the motor, after I redo the heads and the cam and everything. And then the rest is nitrous. So it's capable, if you were to put the 300 horse jet in, of 800 horse at that point. I haven't even tried the nitrous out. The motor has been bugging me. I really didn't want to blow it up. We just installed it this past summer and I have not tried it. Still got some bugs to work out. So that is the plan. The Jimmy is on deck to have the motor yanked out and redone and make this thing an absolute beast of a truck the way I want it. So that's number 1 feature for Big Block Nation. I'm giving you guys the schedule for our big blocks first. And you'll see the other video that has a list of all of the big block projects I have laying around. So we'll keep them quick since it's new. And let's move on to the next one. squeaky belt. Ooh, we left rubber in the shop. You get a quick spin before I bring the other one in. You can tell the carb needs adjusting. It's still got a little bit of a choke when you get into it. Yeah, see, we need a little bit of work there. It's just not all together the way I want. Let's go hook onto the jet boat.